Hi everyone, I'm Jason with Boulevard Home. Today we're going to talk to you about our Traeger grills, and we're going to look at our three lines, the Pro Series, the Ironwood, and the Timberline. All have great features, and we'll cover each of them as we go along. We're going to start with the Pro Series. There's two models in here. There's the 575 and the 780. Keep in mind, these are not just model numbers, they also cover how many cooking square inches are on each Traeger. So the Pro 575 has 575 square inches of cooking space. Pro 780 has 780 square inches of cooking space. So each of the Pro Series is a single wall on the grill barrel. This one here has the woodfired connection, and what the woodfired does is it's a creative app that Traeger has come up with. If you're out shopping and your brisket is done, you can actually set this to warm, and it'll keep just the right amount of pellets in there so you can have a nice brisket when you get home. This feature comes with many recipes on there. You can preheat your grill, it sets an alarm. If you're doing a brisket, 9 to 12 hours, you can go to bed, and this thing will wake you up when it's done. Along with your woodfired, it comes with a meat probe. You can plug that in. You can set your internal temp of what you're looking for, and when it gets close to that or to temp, it will give you an alarm so you know when to pull the meat off or turn it to warm. The Pro Series has porcelain grates in here. One thing to keep in mind, we do not want to use a wire brush on the porcelain. I recommend that you use one of Traeger's cleaning boards. The board is a nice, gentle way to clean the grates that won't harm the porcelain finish. There also is a Teflon cleaner scrub brush that you can also clean this with as well. Your porcelain grates are great for non-stick surface. You have less sticking to the grates on there. You don't have to spray them. Porcelain's a nice cooking surface as well. Your Pro Series comes with an 18-pound pellet capacity here. You can also get pellet sensors in here that on the woodfired app, it will show you how many pellets you have left in there. So if you need to refill it, it'll give you that warning. The Pro Series does not come with a pellet sensor, but you can do that as an add-on later for it as well. If you want to change to a different pellet for a different flavor of your meat, you can also change out your pellets in the back. It's got a nice, easy clean out to put in your storage bin, and you just close that up, get that ready for your next flavor of pellet. The Pro Series also comes with a D2 drive. It has the turbo temp, so when you open up your lid, that drive puts more pellets into the burner so you don't lose as much heat. So for the Pro Series, as you notice, they've got the smokestack on here. What this does is it gives you a true smoke flavor, is what that's gonna do. It's gonna put the smoke through there and you're gonna get a true smoked meat flavor. So your Traeger grills come with all-terrain wheels. These are some heavy-duty grills. They are heavy, well-built, and these wheels make it easy for moving it from your garage, your patio, wherever you need to around your yard. Our next Traeger grill is going to be the Ironwood. This comes in two models, the 885 and the 650. Remember that those are your cooking square inches. So the one we're looking at right here, this is our 885. This is the biggest one in the Ironwood collection. The Ironwood comes with double-walled sidewalls on here. It helps with insulating and keeping the temperature even in there. It also comes with the porcelain grates. This has a nice seal around there, so it keeps your temperature the same in there. It has the turbo temp. You open that up, it's that D2 drive is going to kick some more pellets in there to recover some of the heat loss from the lid. The Ironwood has a max temp of 500 degrees. This is great if you ever want to sear steaks. I know for me, I like to do a reverse sear ribeye on there. This rack has one more layer, it will go down, and that's where you're going to get your nice sear level on there at 500 degrees. Their pellet bin will hold 20 pounds. Now the Ironwood series also comes with a pellet sensor in there. Again, that will tell you on the woodfired app where your pellets are, if you need to add more, where you're, make sure you got plenty for cooking. The Ironwood also has what they call a super smoke feature. This is one of my favorite features. This will run between 165 degrees and 225 degrees. That is going to give you an excellent, excellent smoke ring on anything you're doing and just give it that super smoky flavor. The Ironwood also comes with a meat probe. This can also be seen on your woodfired setup. Set your temperature, what your internal temp would like to be, and it'll give you an alarm when that's reached its desired temp. Also on the Ironwood series, we've got the hooks here for different utensils. Very handy for your tongs, your spatulas, scrapers, whatever you may need. It's great to have there. This one also has an optional folding shelf, a must-have. And don't forget about this great feature. If you're ever gonna not use your top rack, instead of setting it on the ground or maybe on the patio table, they've got these nice hooks in the back, a nice storage place for that top grill. The Ironwood series is a true convection grill. So as it's circulating the smoke through there, it's got the downdraft in the back, so all the old smoke goes out through there and it's fresh new smoke throughout the cook. So just a quick recap of the Ironwood series. Kind of a step up from the Pro Series. This has a double wall insulated grill. It's got some great cooking space, 20-pound pellet storage in there with a pellet sensor. Also, the Ironwood is a true convection grill, which means you're going to get fresh smoke throughout your cook. This is our Timberline series. This is the top of the line. This is the big one here. Timberline 1300. Remember, that is 1300 square inches of cooking space. As you can see, this one's got 3 tiers. This one on the Timberline is a stainless steel grill, which means you can clean it with a regular wire brush. I would recommend that you use Traeger's wire cleaning brush for this, as they make them specifically for their grates. The Timberline also comes with a built-on shelf for all of your spices, your utensils you might be using while cooking. It's always nice and handy to have that there as well. And again, this is built on and comes with the Timberline. Also on the Timberline, this does come with a bamboo cutting board. It sits right up on top of your pellet hopper. It's got little magnets on the back, so it securely sits right on top of there. Now on the Timberline series, their pellet bin is 22 pounds. This will hold 22 pounds. It also comes with a pellet sensor. Again, you can see this on your woodfired app to see how many pounds and percentage of pellets you have left. The Timberline also is a true convection grill. This is fully insulated all the way around, which keeps your heat in there and it keeps your temperature of your meat and your cook steady throughout. On the Timberline series, this has a concealed drip pan tray on the bottom. Your other grills have the drip bucket, which just hooks on the side. All of them have it to where the grease drips down in there, and they have liners, which is easily removable and cleanable. So the Timberline is a step up from the Ironwood. The Ironwood is great. I've got one myself. What I like about the Timberline, you get more cooking square inches, and I love the 3 shelves. Gives you some great cooking options on there. This would be considered more of your pro level. Don't think that because you're not a pro, you can't get this one. This is a great grill. A lot of features, a lot of cooking options. So to recap, our Pro Series that's a great grill. Get your true traditional smoke flavor. Our Ironwood and our Timberline are a step up with features and benefits. From those you got on your Ironwood and your Timberline, you get a true convection, clean smoke flavor every time. They're all great. It depends on what you want, what you're looking for, and your needs. Leave your questions in the comments below. Stay tuned, keep watching, and we look forward to looking at your comments.